And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video I'm doing a step-by-step tutorial how to get involved with Aping Drip. They changed the token of the miner from Drip to Drip BUSD. It's a liquidity pool token now. So in this video I will show you exactly how to buy the token, how to deposit it into the app, how to withdraw, and how to cash it out. We have a lot to go over. Let's not waste any time. What you want to do first is come here to the Animal Farm Drip Liberation site. I will leave all reference links under the description of this video to all these sites for your convenience. Once you're here, you want to have some BUSD. This is part of the BSC mainnet. So you want to have some BUSD and some BNB. You need BNB for the gas and you need BUSD for the token. You can buy BNB in most centralized exchanges, and you can also buy BUSD in most exchanges. It's very easy to come by. You come to the Drip Liberation site, you connect your wallet up here, and I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet. They also have Wallet Connect and Trust Wallet. Here I select my wallet and I connect. Once you connect, you're good to go. The Drip Liberation contract allows farmers to add Drip BUSD liquidity to PancakeSwap without paying the 10% transaction fee. So by coming here, you're saving money on the fees. So this is the best site to buy it. Funds sent to the contract be used by Drip for you with half of BUSD and use the rest of BUSD to add liquidity on PancakeSwap. So a liquidity pool token consists of two different tokens into one. We scroll down, this is where you buy the LP token. This is my position. I'm going to buy max. Here it shows your BUSD available balance. I'm buying it all. I'm going to deposit this amount into Aping Drip. Here you click supply, and here you confirm the supply. I will be receiving 33.44 BUSD Drip LP tokens for that buy. Confirm supply. I am now being prompted. Confirm. And here is where you click to add the liquidity pair token into your wallet. You click here and it will show you your token here. You can add the token. So now I will be adding this token. If you go back to your MetaMask, you can see that I have this Cake LP token. Now you would have to take note of this. There is no symbol here and it just says Cake LP token. That's just the way the LP tokens look. That's just the way they are. Now that you have this Cake LP token, now you can deposit this into the Aping Drip miner. Here you connect your wallet. They have MetaMask and Wallet Connect. I will be using MetaMask. I can see my Drip BUSD tokens. Here you would enter the amount of LP tokens you want to deposit. Let's just say I want to deposit the full amount. It's not going to work since I'm doing this before the launch, but let's just say I want to deposit all my tokens. First, I would approve the transaction here. You confirm it. I'm going to reject it since it's not active. You confirm it. Once you give the contract permission to be able to make this transaction, then the Hire Apes button will appear here and then you'll be able to deposit after you approve that transaction. And that's how you deposit into the miner. When you buy the token from the Animal Farm, there is 0 fees for that liquidity pair token. When you deposit these tokens, there is a 6% deposit fee. That is it. When you rehire your rewards, there is no fee. When you collect your rewards, there is an additional 6% fee. So that's a total of 12%. 6 to deposit, 6 to withdraw. Now, once you want to cash out your tokens, you need to come here to PancakeSwap. You come here to trade and you go to liquidity. Here I found the liquidity pair tokens that I have. I have 33.97 of the Drip BUSD token. If you don't see it here, you can go find other LP tokens. You put here BUSD. And then here you put Drip. And then you can go to manage this pool. You can select it and you can press remove. I'm not going to do this since I will be depositing this into the miner. But this is what you'll do once you want to cash out your tokens. You press remove. Once you press remove, you would get half BUSD and half drip. And then once you have that drip token, you can sell the drip token for BNB here in PancakeSwap. That's going to incur another 10% tax. And one thing that I forgot to mention, when you do sell that drip token, you have to come up here to the gear icon and type in 12% for the slippage. That's 10% for the drip token and 2% for regular slippage. So total, if you partake in this project, once you invest into the miner is 6%. Once you withdraw from the miner is 6%. Once you take this liquidity pair token apart and you withdraw that drip, comes out to a total of around 20% on these transactions and not 24%. If you do the math, it's 6% to deposit Aping drip, 6% to withdraw, that's 12. Plus you have to adjust 12% slippage to sell the drip token only. You don't pay a tax on the BUSD. So roughly you're probably looking around 20% total on taxes there, which is very manageable on this high yield miner app. Now we go back to the miner, you're earning up to 6% daily rewards. So do your own research. I've seen crazier taxes, but by Aping drip switching to drip BUSD, those fees have dropped dramatically. Now, the reason why they didn't do the drip token like the original idea, you would incur over 40% in taxes. There is no miner that would be able to sustain that kind of fees. So this is the best solution and it totally makes sense. This is actually a better alternative than just buying the drip token. Here, they're providing value and liquidity into the overall drip ecosystem. So that is a complete tutorial how to partake. I will leave all reference links under the description of this video. If you guys found this video of any value, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I really appreciate it. And as always, hit the notification bell to get the most time sensitive videos just like this one. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you very much. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.